Curious if the BlockDAG Testnet is just hype or actually worth exploring? Let's break it down fast and simple. The BlockDAG Testnet just launched, and it's designed to let users try out how fast and scalable their network really is before the mainnet goes live. Once you connect your wallet, you get free test tokens to explore the system. You can send mock transactions, test out the wallet's interface, and get a feel for how their BlockDAG structure handles speed. The user interface is clean and feels fast, even with lots of simulated activity. Compared to standard blockchain testnets, it's smoother and less buggy than expected. There's also a simple leaderboard if you're mining or testing throughput, so it adds a little competition to the process. But keep in mind, this is still a testnet. No real money involved yet. Some features are locked or buggy, and it's not fully clear how it'll handle real-world conditions under heavy load. Still, it's a promising preview of what the project wants to deliver. Fast transactions and solid UX for regular users. That's the quick look at the BlockDAG Testnet. Thank you for watching How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.